So, I figured I'd unbox this. This is Sharpie markers. I do a lot of models and painting and stuff, and Sharpie's a good brand for small touch-up things. This was $12 at Walmart. It's the first time I've seen a box like this. I guess for it's the holidays. So I'm going to open this today, and we're going to have a look at some of these, and maybe, just maybe, color in one of my Switch light holders here that I 3D printed. So we can hang it up. I actually printed 2 of these. The print does come with wall hangers. You can find it on Thingiverse, but I would like to redesign this, but I was lazy today. So I just super glued some washers on it because I didn't like how the... I just want it spaced out a little bit from the wall so it's easier to grab. So we opened this up. It was taped, and like I said, 12 bucks at Wal-Mart if you can find these. I had a big stack of them. I guess I ain't got it open too good, do I? There we go. Boom. Here's our trail markers. And we can color in the back if you wanted to. Definitely not going to. So that's stuff we can recycle. Put these in my 3D printed marker holder. It's got a nice thing to keep them in case you didn't have that, you know. So that's a Nintendo Switch. We got some red here. And if everything is good, we can, if it's camera focus, there we go. We can color in what needs to be colored. So this would be red, like so. And then I'm going to go around with this Sharpie, paint everything, and we'll mount this and see how it does. Ooh, got super glue on me. From the washers I just put on. Basically it just touched up just quickly, you know, one pass. Man could darken it up one more pass once it dries, but I think that's pretty good just to mount on the wall. Yep, I think it turned out good. We'll paint a few more things, see how the other colors do maybe. This is the Nintendo Switch cover I painted with the little Sharpies. They turned out good, the little inserts. Printed this in PLA white, and PLA white for the lettering that goes in. You can get this print off Thingiverse. It's for Switch games. I got a Switch case here for no reason. It's a Mario one. Just a little Mario one. But I'll show you what this is used for, which if you can't tell, it's used for games. Brand new copy of Need for Speed. You just put it in just like so. And it holds your games. It's that simple. So all these markers, I'm very happy with them for 12 bucks. Comes with different colors, different size tips. So 1 out of 10, I give that purchase a 10. If you ain't tried them out, try Sharpies if you're into painting or 3D modeling or something like that for fine detail. Works out pretty good. And thanks for watching. If you're new, get subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you again. I'll see you in the next video.